In this video tutorial, let's discuss the fifth law of exponents. Suppose we have two powers, that is, the first one is 2 to the third power and then another one is 3 to the third power. So we have two powers having same exponents. If we have such condition or case, then the fifth law of exponents says that you simply divide the bases together and then raise this division to the power that is equal to these two exponents, that is 3. If you want to see the proof, then let's do this. This is 2 to the third power, so this is 2 times 2 times 2, and this is 3 to the third power, that is 3 times 3 times 3. This can be written as 2 divided by 3, 2 divided by 3 and 2 divided by 3, right? So how many times are we multiplying 2 divided by 3 with itself? Clearly 3 times. So if you want to write it in the exponential form, this will be 2 divided by 3 to the third power. Why third? Because we are multiplying 2 divided by 3 with itself 3 times. So it's exactly the same. The fifth law of exponents says the same result. So if we have to write it in a generalized way, so imagine that we have a power that is a to the mth power, and this is divided by b to the mth power, that is the same exponent. In such condition, this is a divided by b raised to the mth power. This is the generalized representation of the fifth law of exponents. Let's take a few more examples. Let's say we have 3 to the fifth power divided by 5 to the fifth power. Then according to the fifth law of exponents, this will be 3 divided by 5, that is a division of the two bases, and this will be raised to the power 5/5, that is equal to the exponents here that are the same in this condition. So this is 3 divided by 5 to the fifth power, and if you want to see the proof, then this is actually 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, and this is 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. This gives you 305, and you have to multiply it 5 times. So Control C, Control V, so you get 3 divided by 5 to the fifth power. So exactly the same thing what we have proved here. Let's take a few more examples. Let's say one more example, that is 10 to the 100th power divided by 100 to the 100th power. So according to the fifth law of exponents, this will be 10 divided by 100, and this is actually raised to the 100th power. And if you solve it, you divide this, you'll get 1 over 10, 1 divided by 10 to the 100th power. This will be the answer.